Hi everyone, Caroline here. If you love crystal elixirs and you want to know how to make powerful, effective crystal elixirs that work, especially for healing and for any type of physical condition, if you want to know how to make effective healing crystal elixirs, so you can stop wasting precious time and doing things that don't work and that don't get you results, I'm going to be hosting a webinar on Monday, September the 9th at 8 p.m. Eastern that will focus on the subject of how to make effective healing crystal elixirs that work. So if you're a crystal elixir lover like me, or you're just someone who wants to find out how to use and work with these powerful healing crystal elixirs, I'd like to invite you to sign up for my webinar at the link that I'm going to be providing up here and at the end of the video. And in this webinar, I'm going to show you the only 3 things that you need to make a powerful elixir. I'm going to show you how to easily get out of your own way and receive the healing vibrations of the crystal elixir energy. Because you got to let the elixir energy support you, you got to let it through to you somehow. So that will be cool. And let me also tell you this. By the time the webinar is through, you will know without a doubt that your elixir is working. Your confidence in the spiritual healing tool, this crystal elixir that you'll be making, will be 100% plus, at least in terms of how much more faith you will have in the process working effectively for you. I'm also going to show you in this webinar how to not only make crystal healing elixirs, but crystal healing elixirs that provide you with information and with wisdom and insights about what you need to do. You will discover how crystal elixirs talk. Okay? It's going to be so cool. Oh, one more thing. You'll also know what signs to look out for when you're working with crystal elixirs. You will know what to expect from the time you start taking the elixir to the end of the duration of the elixir experience. Then, of course, there will be some time for some Q&A at the end of the webinar. It's going to be so good, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you to join me at the link at the top over here. And I'll see you on Monday, September 9th. And until then, stay pumped up, and I love you guys.